This video contains the following topics: overview, models, front view indicators, rear connectors, the Motorola DSR 6400 series commercial satellite receiver and transcoder. The Motorola DSR 6400 series of commercial satellite receiver transcoders is designed for broadcasters and head-end operators receiving digital satellite services. The DSR 6400 series processes high-definition and standard-definition video services. When the DSR 6400 is properly installed and configured, it is able to receive authorization and control information from the satellite signal source provider. Key features: 8 RF input ports, DC2, QPSK, and DVB-S2 demodulation, DigiCipher 2 security, Gig-E and ASI inputs and outputs, digital HD and SD outputs, 2 analog composite SD video output ports. The second OSD video is for diagnostic use, VBI reinsertion for closed captioning, 2 stereo pair audio outputs, DTMF output, up to 4 Form C relays for add insertion support, 1 Form C relay for fault alarm indication, uplink controlled retunes, configuration is saved in non-volatile memory, a 2-line 40-character front panel LCD display, MPEG-2 HD and/or SD, ASI, and Gig-E outputs, web server GUI for remote operation, advanced audio processing, supports pass-through and decoding, decompression of Dolby AC3, and pass-through of Dolby E audio compression algorithm. Message Mailbox supports text message delivery from the uplink for display on the IRD's front panel. DPI support, digital SCTE35 add splicing message support in both broadcast and unit addressable formats. DTMF, QTone, and Form C contact closure relay terminals for each processed service. Scalable service transcoding. The DSR 6400 series are a range of commercial satellite receivers that are differentiated by the number of services they are able to simultaneously receive and transcode. The DSR 6401 transcodes 1 MPEG-4 HD service to 1 MPEG-2 HD and SD service pairs. The DSR 6402 transcodes 2 MPEG-4 HD services to 2 MPEG-2 HD and SD service pairs. The DSR 6403 transcodes 3 MPEG-4 HD services to 3 MPEG-2 HD and SD service pairs. The DSR 6404 transcodes 4 MPEG-4 HD services to 4 MPEG-2 HD and SD service pairs. The front of the DSR 6400 has easy-to-read indicators, display panels, and configuration controls. The relay indicator illuminates when relays are activated. The alarm indicator illuminates when the unit enters an alarm state. The LCD panel display allows you to view information about the DSR 6400. The authorization indicator illuminates when the unit is authorized by the service provider. The signal indicator illuminates when the unit is locked to a valid carrier. The message indicator illuminates when the unit has a mailbox message from the uplink. The download indicator blinks when a firmware download is in progress and illuminates solid when the unit has successfully received the firmware download and is waiting for activation by the programmer. The panel operation controls allow you to configure and view information about the DSR 6400. Rear view. The rear of the DSR 6400 supports a wide array of connections, which makes it easy to integrate into your environment. From the rear of the DSR 6400, 8 RF input ports, Ethernet 10100 port for device management, Gig-E port for input and output of services, ASI in port, ASI 1 output port provides HD MPEG-4 PID aliased services. ASI 2 output port provides transcoded MPEG-4 and MPEG-2 services. NTSC video output port, NTSC video output port with on-screen display, contact relay and audio connection terminals.